Welcome to Video 11, Indices, Powers, and Algebraic Fractions. In this video, you will learn the laws of indices, how to handle zero, negative, and fractional powers, and how to simplify, multiply, divide, add, and subtract algebraic fractions. There are three core laws of indices. First, when multiplying terms with the same base, add the exponents. X cubed times x to the 4 equals x to the 7. Second, when dividing, subtract the exponents. X to the 5 divided by x squared equals x cubed. Third, when raising a power to a power, multiply the exponents. X squared, all to the power 3, equals x to the 6. There are four special index cases. Any non-zero number raised to the power 0 equals 1. A negative index means take the reciprocal. 2 to the negative 3 is 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1 over 8. A half power means square root. 9 to the half equals 3. A fractional power m over n means take the nth root and raise to the m. 8 to the 2/3 equals the cube root of 8 squared, which equals 4. To simplify an algebraic fraction, cancel any factors that appear in both the numerator and denominator. For 6x squared y over 3xy, cancel the 3, 1x, and the y, leaving 2x. For x squared minus 4 over x plus 2, first factorize the numerator as x plus 2 times x minus 2. The x plus 2 bracket cancels from top and bottom, leaving x minus 2. To multiply algebraic fractions, multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, canceling common factors along the way. 3x over 4 times 8 over 6x gives 24x over 24x, which equals 1. To divide, flip the second fraction and multiply. X over 3 divided by x over 6 becomes x over 3 times 6 over x, which gives 6x over 3x, which simplifies to 2. With the same denominator, add the numerators and keep the denominator. 3 over 5 x plus 2 over 5x equals 5 over 5x, which simplifies to 1 over x. When denominators differ, find the lowest common denominator. For 1 over 2x plus 3 over 4x, the lowest common denominator is 4x. Convert 1 over 2x to 2 over 4x. Then 2 over 4x plus 3 over 4x equals 5 over 4x. Pause now and try these. Part A, simplify 8x cubed over 4x. Part B, evaluate 27 to the power 1/3. For Part A, 8x cubed over 4x. Cancel the 4 and 1x. The result is 2x squared. For Part B, 27 to the 1/3 means the cube root of 27, which is 3. Question 1. Simplify x cubed multiplied by x to the power 4. Pause and choose your answer. The answer is A, x to the 7. When multiplying, add the exponents. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Question 2. What is the value of 8 to the power of negative 1/3? Pause and choose your answer. The answer is A, 1/2. 8 to the 1/3 is the cube root of 8, which is 2. The negative index flips it. 1/2. Question 3. Simplify 3x over 5 plus x over 5. Pause and choose your answer. The answer is A, 4x over 5. Same denominator, so add numerators. 3x plus x equals 4x over 5. Here is your reference card. Multiplying same base terms. Add the exponents. Dividing, subtract the exponents. Power of a power. Multiply the exponents. 0 power equals 1. Negative power is the reciprocal. Half power is the square root. To multiply fractions, multiply tops and bottoms, canceling first. To add or subtract, find a common denominator, then combine the numerators. That is video 11 complete. You can now apply the 3 laws of indices, handle zero, negative, and fractional powers, and perform all 4 operations on algebraic fractions. Video 12 covers logarithms.